All right, today we have a switch panel for a B-17 bomber. We'll do a quick tour here. You've got your master switch. It's in the off position. There's on. These are your magneto switches for the engines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Off, left, right, and both. You'd have them on both for starting. Fuel shut-off valves, open and closed. Fuel boost pump, on and off. You've got your cowl flaps. You'd have them open for lower altitude, and then you'd close them for higher altitude for engine cooling. Your recognition lights, the various different colors in the keying, red, amber, green, and white. Your key, your flap switch, flaps up, center, flaps down, and of course you've got a flap indication. This is the incorrect gauge here, but that would tell you landing gear or flaps. Then you've got your landing lights and your landing gear. Down, center locked, and then up. So that's your B-17 bomber switch panel.